Hey everybody, this is take two of my video. I tried doing this video, but my baby brother just barged in out of nowhere. I got to about up here, shot this gun, and then he just barged in. So anyway, let's just start off the video. Right here we have a Guardians of the Galaxy Nerf Star-Lord, his blaster. Can't really shoot it. Well, you can, but I couldn't shoot it for like a long time because like the spring broke and everything. Like last time I have to pause the video and cock this, so hold on. Crap. Okay. This video is crap quality and this freaking thing didn't even shoot. Okay, well, whatever. Used. Next up, sorry I covered the screen for a second. This gun used to make sounds, but it's dead. The battery's dead. It's like a real army gun. Oh, and if you're wondering where I got this, my friend Angelina gave it to me before she left school. And this is just something that I got for Christmas. This is also what I have left to remind me of her. Angelina. I just have this scar that she gave me and then this thing that she gave me. And also this thing right here, under it used to be a laser sight, but it's dead too. Mirror, mirror in the gun. Are we gonna have fun? Probably not. I don't have enough money for equipment. Get this one. This gun doesn't really do much. It just makes the shooting sound. Trigger finger. Triggered. And then this one. This is a this looks like a enlarged Makarov. I'm gonna have to cock this off screen because it's hard. Oh wait, you can reload like that with this one, and then also has some BBs. BB stands for big bullets. Or you could go over to Vanos's video and you could see what it really stands for. I love Vanos. He's funny. This gun. Oh shoot, I forgot to cock it. You know what? Actually, I'm not gonna cock it because you guys don't think of anything weird. The BBs, they're gonna shoot and then they're probably just gonna fly out. And I won't be able to find them for like 5 years. Oh, there it is. And then this one, you can reload it too. But this time it has something right here for you to use instead. Static mag. Huh? I have no BBs in here. Right here. Cock it still. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. Anyway, so just this. Anyway, since they're gone now, okay, since they're gone now, I can shoot this, but I'm not gonna. I don't want to. And then this one, it doesn't really do anything. It's kind of messed up. And then this revolver, I like the design on it. The design is so cool. And then look at the handle too. Looks like real wood. It's not real wood though. It's plastic. Not plastic. That's all you can do with it, and you could just pull this back. Okay. Next, just this revolver, because it's not really that loud. Okay, sorry that I had to pause the video again, guys. You probably don't even care, because it just immediately, just... Anyway, next up, we have this. This is just a Nerf gun that I have. It's like a pistol and revolver mixed. Let's play Russian roulette, everybody. I'm going to spin the cylinder. Okay, good evening, everybody. I will shoot myself in the head. Oh, thank the Lord. It is not the bullet. Alright, I'm gonna stop being fake now. Don't fall. And then this revolver, not much, just that. Then it opens up. Hold on. If you saw me, if you actually saw my face, you probably see that I'm a mess. My hair is a mess.